Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Why do most ceiling fans have 3 blades only? Electric fans can have 3, 4, 5 any number of blades, but why do fans only persist with 3 blades? The primary purpose of an electric fan is to create airflow. An honest fan can do that with minimal noise. A lever is also designed according to the conditions of the operating environment and the required level of air delivery. Fans are usually a stand-alone appliance to get cooling comfort also in tropical country with most areas having high temperatures. Hence, users require a better quantum of air to create a cooling effect. As per research, 3 seems to be the optimum number of blades for air movement and efficiency. Adding more blades doesn't improve performance and may actually make it worse by increasing the aerodynamic drag on the motor. Technologically, the lesser the amount of blades, higher the air delivery. This is often one of the reasons why industrial fans, like wind turbines, usually only have 2 or 3 blades. They will go faster and move more air. The resulting noise isn't much of a concern in those areas of operation. However, for domestic ceiling fans, 3 blades end up to be optimal for air delivery and cooling comfort. The background level is also suitable for homes. With higher number of blades, the fan tends to be slower in speed and thus quieter but circulates less air. Additional blades increase the drag on a ceiling fan's motor and slow it down. In US and Canada, the first requirement for the ceiling fan is to supplement the air conditioner in summers. In winter, many of those fans with a reverse switch can be flipped to turn the direction of the rotation. This makes it possible to draw cold air and circulate warm air from the warmers that are usually lined up against the walls. Thus, the fans there are designed for a special purpose and may have 4 or 5 blades. In India, 4 or 5 bladed ceiling fans can help complement your room aesthetics. I hope you've learned something new and interesting after watching this video. If yes, then please hit the likes of button, subscribe my channel, and share together with your friends to increase their knowledge.